Let's practice sounding natural in the office. I'll be A, you'll be B. Ready? You've got this. Hey, client presentation feedback. Any news from them? Great. And the new marketing data, looked at the numbers yet? Sounds good? Oh, Emma's on the budget. We should keep her in the loop on this client's feedback. Remember, follow up means to check on progress. Circle back is to return to a topic later, and loop in means to include someone in communication. Practice with our AI avatar every day to sound more natural at work. Hit follow for more.